Yes, good morning, Sir Lloyd.
Good morning, Doc.
Yes, bakit po kayo nagpunta dito?
Pumunta ako just to confirm because I have lab result na because of my cholesterol na during my checkup sa traditional doctor, gusto nila akong
bigyan ng synthetic drugs.
Yes, lipid lowering drugs. Yes.
Okay. Ilang months na po tayo naglulok?
I am practicing LCIF for more than 3 years now.
Wow, 3 years. And look at the physique. Parang wala akong makitang may sakit. And nakita ko na rin yung laboratory mo, which is nasa 209 ang cholesterol. Yes. All of your labs are normal, except nga yung total cholesterol, 209.
Yes, a little bit above normal, no?
And usually, binibigyan na kayo ng lipid-lowering drugs.
Yes.
Yan, okay? So sa akin, congratulations, you don't need these lipid-lowering drugs. Mas importante is yung triglycerides yun, normal, HDL, ay, ang ganda. And the rest, sugar are normal. All parameters are good. Ayan, palagi kong sinasabi, na kung ang total cholesterol elevated, you don't need. You can also lower your cholesterol or your LDL through natural means. Anong ibig sabihin nito? You can do fasting, you can do exercise, being active and doing fasting. Bababa pa ang cholesterol. You don't need these synthetic drugs, these lipid-lowering drugs, because mas maraming side effect ito. Dementia, Alzheimer's, body pain, yung iba nga, nagpapatas din ng liver enzyme. Kaya kadalasan pagka nagbibigay ng lipid-lowering drugs, kailangang i-assess din yung liver enzyme, yung SGPT, SGOT. Kung elevated to, hindi pwede magbigay kasi magpapataas. And also, nagpapataas din siya ng sugar. The worst is cancer, breast cancer. Okay, so continue lang po tayo dun sa lifestyle natin. Wow, 3 years.
3 years now.
Hopefully, ma-interview din kita sa aking page. Anyway, congratulations po.
Yes, Doc, thank you.
God bless and hopefully, maikalat natin sa family.
Opo.
Tama ba?
Yes.
And yung sinasabi nating mana-mana, puputulin natin. Ano bang mga sakit na mga ninuno?
My parents are they're all diabetic and hypertensive.
See? So,
That's why I want to yun nga sabi mo, dapat
naputulin.
maputol.
Yes.
Through lifestyle.
99% lifestyle choices. 1% from genes. Imagine mo yan. So, diabetic parents, ngayon ang anak, free.
Yes.
So, malamang mga apo, mga sana ma-share pa natin sa mga kapatid. And hopefully, lahat sila free of this mana-mana na sakit na diabetic hypertension. Adapt and evolve. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay.
I'm very much honored.
Yun.
Yes.
Sige po.